Hello, welcome back friends, family, and neighbors. Back to Practical Healing Foods. Today we're going to do something that I really enjoy. I do this almost every other day. I try to rotate eggs and stuff in the morning with avocados and olive oil for my breakfast. But this berry smoothie and this green smoothie I'm getting ready to show you will fill you up, keep you full for 4 to 6 hours. And it's very healthy for you. This is keto friendly, paleo friendly. It's very quick in the morning. So I'll do the smoothie. On the days that I don't do the smoothie, I do keto coffee. And that video is coming up very, very soon. So make sure you like and subscribe to this video. Click the little bell down in the corner so that way you get notifications in your email when a new video goes out. So you don't miss any of these healthy foods to make you healthy on your journey. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and start making this delicious smoothie. I'll show you how to do it. Just go ahead, you need a blender for this. So what I usually start with is I'm going to use almond milk. 1 cup of almond milk, or 8 ounces. You put that down there in the bottom. Okay. And then the next thing you're going to need is MTC powder. And I'm using this from Divine Health. This is delicious stuff. This is really good. This is from Dr. Colbert. He is a Christian MD. He's been in the business of helping people's health for over 35 years. If you want to pick up some of this, go to our website. I'll leave the information down below and click on the links and you can get some of this. It's very good. I use it every morning. You can use it either in your keto coffee or your smoothies like you're getting ready to see here. Okay, you put 1 scoop of that in there. This is vanilla flavored. You can get the chocolate if you like chocolate, or you can get the unflavored, but this is vanilla. Okay, and then we're going to put berries in there. Now, you can do this of one of 2 ways. You can either do frozen berries like I have here, or you can do fresh berries. But make sure it's only 1/3 of a cup, because the problem when you start getting more than 1/3 of a cup, you start dipping into the carbs, and then that raises your sugars and all that. On the keto diet, it's okay to have berries, blackberries, blueberries, raspberries, strawberries. Those are okay in your diet. When you're wanting to lose weight, you don't want to be doing like oranges, that sort of thing. Bananas are good, but they raise your blood sugar levels up too much, so you got to be careful with those. If you're gonna put bananas in here, you're gonna want to make sure you use green bananas, okay? Not ripe ones. Those are for the kiddos. Okay, just dump those in there. Okay, you're gonna want 1 tablespoon of either almond butter or peanut butter. I'm gonna use peanut butter on this. Make sure you get the good stuff. Make sure you get the organic. Don't get, I'm gonna say this here, I love Jif peanut butter, but they use hydrogenated oils in that, and that's something that is not healthy. So when you're reading the label, you want to read like you can see here. You want to read where it says organic roasted peanuts, organic palm oil. You got to be careful with palm oil too, but this is okay. And this peanut butter contains 1% or less of salt. You don't want hydrogenated oils or anything like that in there. Okay, so you want to get a nice, good old teaspoonful, and looks like I'm gonna have to get some more of this peanut butter. It's about gone, and just dump that in there too. Okay. Okay, next ingredient is going to be egg white protein. Now you can get these from your health food store if you want to, or HEB or any grocery store. This is what you're looking for. Now this is vanilla. Since I'm doing vanilla MTC oil, it will work fine. So you can either get that, or you can also get this one here that I also use, which is, it has no flavor in it. It's just regular egg white protein. This is really good too. I'm going to use the other one because it has vanilla in it. But if you have problems in your location, in your area finding this, I'm going to leave a link in the description below where this goes, and you can get this from Amazon pretty quick. Okay, so we're going to put 1 scoop of the egg white protein in there. You can scoop there, just like so. Now, if you want to, you can add 2 tablespoons of avocado oil. That's fine to do that. You do not want to put olive oil in here because it won't taste good. But if you put avocado oil in here, you're boosting up your good protein, or if you put avocado in here, you're boosting up your good fats. So we're going to do just a little bit. Like 2 tablespoons is about it. That's about it right there. Okay, now we're going to blend it. And I'm just using a Ninja blender. You can use any type of blender you have at your house. But you're going to blend this until everything's mixed really well. Don't that look wonderful? Nice and berry color. and it's delicious, guys. It really tastes really good. So after you're done with that, just pop this out so we don't fall into our glass. Okay, so now we're just going to pour it into whatever glass you want. Alright guys, it's time to do the green smoothie. Now my wife, she doesn't do dairy. Now if you want to, you could put a half a cup of almond milk in there, but we're not going to do that this time because we're going to use the cucumbers that we already have cut up. These are the English cucumbers that have very, very small seeds. Alright, these are going to produce a lot of your juice for you. So we're going to go ahead and dump those in there first. And then we're going to put some of these greens. We're going to put spinach in there. Now, this is also really good if you're able to do like a green banana, because that will sweeten it. If not, oh, one thing I forgot to put in the berry was stevia, but the MTC powder has some stevia in it. Okay, so these already have a little bit of stevia in it. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and put a scoop of MTC powder in there. And what MTC powder is a derivative of coconut. So it's really good for you. Now they do have this in liquid, but beware. Sometimes people that start the MCT oil, just the liquid, it'll give them diarrhea. So keep that in mind. So the powder doesn't usually do that as much. But you're going to want to put a scoop of egg white powder in here too. You can do either the flavored. Since we're doing vanilla in this, we're going to do vanilla flavored in there too. Put that in there too. And also a little bit of avocado oil too. Just a little. These are delicious for breakfast. These will fill you up for hours. Okay guys, we're going to go ahead and blend this. Put our lid back on. It's wet because I just got it out of the sink from rinsing it from the berries. Here we go, blend it. We're going to have to add just a little bit of almond milk in there. You're going to have to blend this just a little bit longer than you did the berry smoothie. Okay, let's go ahead and get this out of here. Get the blade out again, out of the way. Okay, we're going to go ahead and pour this in. Look at that. Don't that look nice and green? Looks like something the Hulk would drink. Alright guys, that pretty much wraps up this video. I'm going to go ahead and take a drink of the berry smoothie. Oh wow, that's great. I'm going to finish this off camera. And I'll take a drink, since we're on camera, I'll show you, take a drink of my wife's green. That's good too. It tastes really good. You may want to put some stevia in there. Stevia will help it too. Just don't do Splenda. There's a big difference. Stevia and Splenda are two different things. You want stevia is what you're looking for. Alright guys, thank you so much as always for watching this video. Make sure you share, like, and subscribe to this our YouTube channel. Check us out on our Facebook page and on our Twitter page, and also on our website, www.practicalhealingfoods.com. The list of recipes will be on there. You guys can go on there and download those and check them out. If you have any questions, please make sure you join our community, and we'll be more than happy to answer any questions that you may have. Alright guys, this is Tim saying goodbye. Check you out on the next video.